The guardian of Whispering Woods. In a lush, dense jungle called Whispering Woods, where ancient trees whispered secrets to the wind, lived a young and spirited fox named Eris. One day, as Eris bounded through the undergrowth chasing fireflies, he stumbled upon a clearing where a wounded tiger lay. The tiger, named Raja, was known as the guardian of Whispering Woods. He had protected the jungle and its inhabitants for decades. Eris approached cautiously, his heart racing with fear and admiration. "Are you all right?" he asked timidly. Raja groaned weakly. "I am old, young one. My time as the guardian is ending." Eris was taken aback. "But who will protect the jungle if not you?" Raja sighed, his eyes filled with sadness. "That is the question, little fox. I have searched for a successor, someone with courage and a pure heart. But none have proven worthy." Eris felt a surge of determination. "I will become the guardian. I will protect Whispering Woods." Raja chuckled softly. "You? A fox?" Undeterred, Eris vowed to prove himself. He embarked on a quest to seek the wisdom of the jungle's elders, the wise owl, the ancient tortoise, and the elusive panther. Each bestowed upon him a gift. The owl gave him keen insight, the tortoise patience, and the panther stealth. Armed with these gifts, Eris faced numerous challenges. He rescued a trapped monkey, calmed a raging river to save a family of otters, and outsmarted a cunning python. With each act of bravery and kindness, Eris earned the respect of the jungle's creatures. Finally, the day arrived when Raja called upon Eris. The old tiger lay weakly under the shade of the great oak. "I have watched you, young Eris," Raja rasped. "You have proven yourself worthy. The time has come for you to take my place." Eris' heart swelled with pride and humility. "I will do my best, Raja." As Raja peacefully passed away under the gentle rustling of leaves, Whispering Woods felt a new energy. Eris became the guardian, ensuring harmony and protecting the jungle from harm. Under his watchful eye, Whispering Woods thrived, and his legend grew. The moral of the story: sometimes, courage and compassion can come from the most unexpected places. It's not about who you are, but what you do that defines you. Join my channel Venture Moral. Hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome content.